Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Engine Oil Cooler Assembly. This engine oil cooler assembly works on various Ford trucks and vans when equipped with the 7.3-liter turbo diesel engine. Some common vehicles with this engine include the 2000 to 2003 Excursion, specific 1994 to 2003 F-Series Super Duty pickup trucks, and various Econoline vans from 1995 to 2002. For a full list of vehicles this works on, please see below. What your engine oil cooler assembly does is it acts as a heat exchanger, which helps cool engine oil as it flows through the engine. Located in the front of your vehicle with airflow, this can help drastically lower the temperatures of your oil, allowing your diesel engine to run as best as possible. Should your existing cooler assembly not be working correctly, or if it's leaking, over time you could starve your engine with the required amount of oil it needs, or that oil gets too hot, damaging internals, causing major damage. While this engine oil cooler assembly is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct install replacement. However, this oil cooler comes with new O-rings and new gaskets. Plus, the fins inside were redesigned for increased cooling capabilities. If you have any questions about this replacement engine oil cooler assembly, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.